Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how much money YouTube paid me for a video with 100,000 views. Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. I watched some videos on YouTube from other YouTubers who have shared exactly how much money they made from their videos that cross 100,000 views, 500,000, and 1,000,000 views. So one of my videos recently crossed 100,000 views. In fact, that's my video with the most views so far. And so I decided to create this video and show you guys how much money I made from that video with 100,000 views. Now this is just from the YouTube ad revenue by itself. I'm not talking about from affiliate sales that I got from that video or anything else related to that video. It's mostly from placing ads on that video from YouTube. So what I'm gonna do is dive into my YouTube analytics and show you, exactly how much money I've made. But before I do that, what I want you to do is, if you're interested in monetizing your YouTube channel, learning how to make money from YouTube or affiliate marketing in general, what I want you to do is to download my free affiliate marketing guide below. It's completely free, and I show you how I built a full-time income online with affiliate marketing. Now, before I show you exactly how much money I've made, there's a few things that you need to understand, and that is CPM. CPM is basically cost per mille, which actually depends on your channel, your topic, what you're talking about in your videos, and it varies from channel to channel. In some channels, you might get a CPM of $1 to $2 per 1,000 views. In other channels, you can get as high as $25, $35, even $50 for 1,000 views. So it just depends on the topics of your video. And if you want to learn exactly how CPM actually works and how much money you can make for 1,000 views on YouTube, what I want you to do is just go and watch this video, because it's going to show you and explain to you how you can launch a successful YouTube channel where you can make the most money, mostly based on the topics from your videos, and how you can identify topics and niches that can make you the most money on YouTube. So I'm gonna put a link for that video in the description below for you to check it out. It's a really interesting video if you want to take your YouTube to the next level. So now let's jump into my YouTube analytics so I can show you exactly how much money I've made. Alright guys, so I'm in my YouTube studio and I have filtered my videos by views. You can see my top video here with 100,135 views. The other ones are getting close, but this is the one that has the most views so far. So I'm gonna click on it and we're gonna go into the analytics of this video to see exactly how much money it made. And basically, one of the things that you got to keep in mind, this video actually wasn't monetized for the full lifetime of the video. I got monetization just about 5 to 6 months ago, basically 4 or 5 months after I uploaded this video. This video is about 11 months old right now, and as you can see, in the last 28 days this video made me $125 from this video that I made 11 months ago. So this is the power of YouTube, mainly because if you're able to get your videos to rank on YouTube, get consistent views, they'll continue to make you money every single month for years. So we're gonna go to the lifetime of that video. So we're gonna click since uploaded, and you can see that the total lifetime of this video the revenue was 580 with 11 cents, and the video has been making some money every single day. And if we go back, you can see that it wasn't actually making any money because I didn't have the monetization yet. I got the monetization around December, end of December basically, and it started making just a few bucks every single day, $2 to $3 per day, and then it kept going up and it kept going up, and it just started making more and more money every single day. So this is definitely something that shows you that if you upload content that people are searching for on YouTube, you can get consistent views and you can get a consistent monthly income from one video. So if I had 25, 50, 100 videos that are making me $100 per month, just imagine how much money I could make just with the YouTube ad revenue every single month. If we scroll down, you can see that 89% of the views over the last 48 hours has been from YouTube search. And that's because the video is ranking on the first page of YouTube for keywords like, make money on Facebook, make money with Facebook page, and things like that. So we're going to click here and we're going to click on 60 minutes. You can see that over the last 60 minutes, 87% of the views have come from the YouTube search results. Now, when it comes to CPM, it's about $10 to $15 for every 1,000 views. Like I said, it depends on the topic. In this case, for this video, since I'm talking about making money with Facebook, the CPM is a little bit higher. So I get about $14, $15 for 1,000 views. In other videos with 100,000 views that are talking about other things not related to making money or business, you might find that a CPM could be 50 cents to $1 to $2 for 1,000 views. So I'm definitely making more money because of the topic of my videos and because the CPM on that topic is very high. All right, so now that you've seen exactly how much money I made from that video with 100,000 views, the one thing that you got to keep in mind is that most of the views that that video is actually getting is from YouTube search results. And I've talked about a lot about getting views from YouTube, organic views from YouTube, from people who are searching for stuff on YouTube. That video is actually ranking on the first page of YouTube for how to make money on Facebook. So there's a lot of people searching for that on YouTube every single day. So I'm getting a lot of views from people who are actually interested in learning how to make money with Facebook, and that video has been sitting there for months. So if you want to get consistent views on YouTube and you want to get videos that get 100,000 views, 500,000 views, or 1,000,000 views, the best thing that you can do is to create content that people might be searching for on YouTube. Now, I have a few videos talking about this, but this is something that you can truly use. And I've made a video recently that talked about how you can actually get on the first page of YouTube in the first 24 hours, and some of the things that you can do to help your video get optimized for the search results on YouTube, so you get more views, more subscribers, and as a result, you make more money. So again, all the links for the videos are going to be found in the description below. The one thing that you got to keep in mind is that you cannot depend entirely on your YouTube ad revenue. YouTube revenue changes from month to month. It just depends on your CPM, and that CPM can actually vary from month to month depending on the videos that you're uploading every single week. So you cannot rely 100% on your YouTube ad revenue to make a full-time income. This is why I monetize my channel with affiliate marketing, meaning that I promote affiliate products and services related to my niche that allow me to make money in the back end. And this is what I teach you in my free affiliate marketing guide, which you can download for free. If YouTube demonetizes one of your videos, it doesn't hurt your pocket that much because you're making money in the back end by promoting other products and services. And this is why some YouTubers might say that you don't make that much money with the YouTube ad revenue. So they're forced to work with companies and do affiliate marketing and do some branded videos in order to supplement that income and be able to make more money. But if you don't have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, if you don't have 1,000,000 subscribers on YouTube, you don't need a lot of subscribers to make money. All you need is a great niche, consistent videos, and a way to monetize your content using affiliate marketing. This is why you'll find that many of the big YouTubers out there try to create their own products by selling merchandise. They sell courses and they sell many different things because the YouTube ad revenue is not enough to make a living. However, in some cases, there are people on YouTube who are taking advantage of the YouTube ad revenue, who know exactly what I'm talking about in terms of monetizing your videos to the max. And one of those people is Graham Stephan. And actually, I posted a video about him a few weeks ago that talked about how he made over $100,000 in a single month with the YouTube ad revenue. If you want to go watch that video, I'm going to put a link for that video below. But he shows you that you can monetize YouTube ad revenue if you know exactly what topics to choose and how to create videos that people are searching for and people want to watch, especially in a niche that has a really high CPM. Guys, if you're thinking about launching a YouTube channel because you want to make money from YouTube, the one thing that you got to keep in mind is that yes, you can make some money with the YouTube ad revenue, but what you really want is to build an audience that you can use to supplement your income with affiliate marketing or creating your own products. That way you're not fully depending on just one stream of income, and if something happens to one, at least you have another one to depend on. So I hope that this video was helpful, and if it did help you in some way, what I want you to do is to just give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.